property agent. I am from Select Realty. Currently, I at Palazio, Mount Austin area. Here is a studio type and 90% fully furnished because without the TV and washer. Let's go. We see the house. This is a corner lot, built-in kitchen cabinet, built-out area 500 square feet. This area is a living area. With wardrobe and study table. This house attached balcony unit and a king size with mattress. Here is the bathroom attached with a water heater. Balcony facing city view and the swimming pool view. This house direction is a southeast.